Hey everyone, today we are going to do a quick tutorial of how to keep certain doors unlocked for certain hours of the day. So first and foremost, go ahead and log into your Geokey Portal account. And for mine, just for training purposes, all names, emails, and phone numbers are fake. But go ahead and log into yours. And then I want you to go ahead and click on the Manage Account tab that's on the left side. Once you go ahead and click that, scroll down to where it says Access Points. And then you're going to go into one of your network-based doors that you want to have certain hours to be remained unlocked. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and click my front door. It's going to open up the Edit Access Point box. Scroll down to where it says Setup Schedule at the bottom. Go ahead and click that. And then it's going to open up every day, Sunday through Saturday. So then simply we're going to click what days we want it to remain unlocked at certain hours. So for example, I'm going to click Monday. And let's say, hey, I want this to remain unlocked from 8 a.m. to noon. So I'm simply clicking and dragging and dropping. So it shows the door will be automatically unlocked from 8 a.m. to noon. But let's say, hey, when we resume lunch from 1 o'clock, we want it to be from 1 to 5. You simply click that plus button, and it's that same thing. You're going to hit that click, drag, and drop till 5 and start it at 1 o'clock. Scroll down, you're going to hit the save button, and then you're all set. It's that simple. Thanks, everyone.